dear children, welcome back to today's computer class. Today we are going to start our next chapter MS PowerPoint 2010. Let us study that chapter now. Dear children, now we are going to study about MS PowerPoint 2010. Do you know what is PowerPoint presentation? MS PowerPoint is a program that allows you to create presentation. We can also animate objects and add videos or music to your presentation. Did you see the presentations? One simple example of presentation is some contents in the smart boards. Do you remember that? We can watch some videos in the smart boards. Most of the videos are that slideshows or presentations. The MS PowerPoint is used for creating these like presentations. MS PowerPoint is a part of Microsoft Office package. Let us study how to start MS PowerPoint 2010. Same like MS Word, first you click on the Start button. Then click on the All Programs in the Start button. This is All Programs option. Then select Microsoft Office option. See this is Microsoft Office option. In the Microsoft Office option, you can click on the Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Click on Microsoft 2010. Your PowerPoint window is displayed like this. For starting MS PowerPoint, you can click on the Start, All Programs, Microsoft Office and Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. This is MS PowerPoint screen. Next, components of Microsoft PowerPoint. Now we can discuss some parts of Microsoft PowerPoint screen. First one is title bar. The title bar is located at the top of the PowerPoint window. It displays the name of the current presentation. Here that presentation 1 is the name of the presentation. So the title bar displays presentation 1. Next one is ribbon. The ribbon contains multiple tabs like Home, Insert, Design, Transitions, Animations, Slideshow, etc. Each tab contains different groups of commands. See this is ribbon in MS PowerPoint. Here tabs are File, Home, Insert, Design, Transition, Animation, Slideshow, Review. And in the Home tab contain Clipboard, Slides, Font, etc. Likewise, another tab also contain different groups. Next one, Quick Access Toolbar. Normally, the Quick Access Toolbar appears in the top left corner of the PowerPoint screen. Normally, the Quick Access Toolbar contains the icons we are using frequently like Save, Open, Undo and Redo, etc. Next one is File tab. The File tab contains the commands like Save, Save As, Open, Print, etc. See this is File tab. Next one is Slide. A slide is a page in a presentation. We can write text or insert picture in a slide. Next one is placeholder. A placeholder is a dotted box on a slide. It contains text, video, pictures, etc. See in this slide contains some dotted box. We can insert our text in the dotted box. This is known as placeholder. Next, slides or outline pane. A slide or outline pane is located on the left side of the window. The slide pane shows the thumbnail of each of the slides in the presentation. See this. In this window, the left side contains the slides in the presentation. We can view all the slides there. This is known as slide pane. The outline pane means it shows a text outline of all the information on the slides. It also shows in the left side. If you click on the outline, it displays the text information. നമ്മൾ ക്രിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത പ്രസൻറ്റേഷനിലെ ഓരോ സ്ലൈഡ്സിനെയും പറ്റിയുള്ള ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ഫോർമാറ്റിൽ ഷോ ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ് ഔട്ട്ലൈൻ പെയിൻ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ ഈസ് സ്റ്റാറ്റസ് ബാർ. Status bar located at the bottom of the PowerPoint window. It displays the information about the slides or presentation. The information like number of slides and the design, theme, etc. These are the main components of MS PowerPoint 2010. The title bar, ribbon, quick access toolbar, file tab, slide, placeholder, slides or outline pane, status bar. Take a textbook, page number 60 and 61, read 5 times and study well. 2 question answers also there. First one is, what is Microsoft PowerPoint? MS PowerPoint is a program that allows you to create interesting presentations. Second question, write name of any 3 components of MS PowerPoint screen. Answer, title bar, ribbon, quick access toolbar. Write these questions in the notebook and study well. Thank you.